If you are a senior who wants to turn back the clock on muscle loss, then you need to pay very close attention to what you are about to learn in this video. Because today we will be sharing with you the top 4 best bedtime foods that you can use to help your body build muscle even if you are over 60 years old. And the best part is that these amazing muscle-building foods can also help you recover faster from your workouts, improve your sleep, and give you the energy you need to start your day feeling strong and ready to go. Now, although some of these foods may sound unusual, they have been used for centuries to promote healthy aging and improve physical performance in people over the age of 60. So stick around until the end of this video because each food we will be discussing has its own unique benefits that can help you live a better life as you age. Also, if you are a caregiver or personal trainer, stay tuned to discover how you can use these foods to help others achieve their fitness goals. But before we dive into our list, please tap the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness videos just like this one. Let's get started with number 4 on our list, cottage cheese. This high-protein dairy delight is not only a delicious snack, but also an excellent source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis in older adults. It's packed with amino acids that are crucial for muscle growth and repair. Cottage cheese also contains casein, a protein that digests slowly and provides a steady stream of amino acids to your body while you sleep. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming casein protein before bed led to greater muscle protein synthesis rates compared to consuming the same amount of protein earlier in the day. This means that eating cottage cheese before bed can help your body build muscle faster than other times. Additionally, cottage cheese is a good source of phosphorus, which plays an important role in energy metabolism and can help prevent fatigue during exercise. A single serving of low-fat cottage cheese typically contains around 28 grams of protein and 150 calories. You can enjoy it on its own or mix it with nuts and seeds for a tasty snack that will keep you full and satisfied throughout the night. Just be sure to choose a cottage cheese with a low-fat content to keep your calorie intake in check. Remember that portion control is key to getting the most out of your diet without adding unnecessary calories. At number 3, we have Greek yogurt. As we get older, it's common for our immune systems to become weaker, leaving us more vulnerable to illnesses and infections. But Greek yogurt can help boost our immunity thanks to its high protein content. Protein plays an essential role in the production of antibodies that fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Plus, Greek yogurt is a great source of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health and enhance digestion. A healthy digestive system is key to absorbing essential nutrients and maintaining a strong immune system. In fact, research has shown that consuming probiotics can reduce the risk of infections such as pneumonia and diarrhea. What makes Greek yogurt stand out is its high protein content, which is almost double that of regular yogurt. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, which can help prevent falls and fractures in older adults. Greek yogurt is also high in calcium, which is important for bone health and can help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming a high-protein snack, such as Greek yogurt, before bed led to an increase in muscle protein synthesis and improved muscle strength and power in older adults. Additionally, Greek yogurt is a good source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B5, zinc, and selenium, which all contribute to a healthy immune system. To reap the benefits of Greek yogurt, choose plain varieties without added sugars and pair it with fruits or nuts for a delicious and nutritious snack. Eating a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt daily can provide you with around 200 grams of protein and approximately 150 calories. Make sure to include this superfood in your diet and give your immune system the boost it needs to stay healthy and strong. Now, at number 2 on our list, we have almonds. Almonds are packed with nutrients that can help you maintain strong bones and muscles as you age. They are a great source of vitamin E, which helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can cause muscle loss and weakness as we get older. Almonds also contain magnesium, which is essential for muscle function and can help prevent cramps and fatigue. Consuming magnesium-rich foods such as almonds has been linked to a reduced risk of falls in older adults. Another benefit of almonds is their high fiber content, which can help improve digestion and prevent constipation, a common issue among seniors. Additionally, almonds are a good source of healthy fats which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, a leading cause of death in older adults. Research has shown that eating a handful of almonds before bed can help improve sleep quality and reduce the risk of insomnia. The melatonin, or sleep hormone, regulates sleep cycles and helps promote a restful night's sleep. In fact, studies have found that eating a small snack, such as a handful of almonds containing both protein and complex carbohydrates, can promote better sleep in individuals with insomnia. Furthermore, almonds are rich in antioxidants that can help protect against cellular damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and disease. Overall, incorporating almonds into your diet can provide numerous health benefits and help you maintain your strength, mobility, and cognitive function as you age. It's recommended to eat a serving of almonds, which is about a handful or 23 almonds, to reap these benefits. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining brain health and preventing cognitive decline in older adults. They are also high in fiber, which can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, a common issue among seniors. Chia seeds are packed with protein, making them an ideal food for maintaining muscle mass and strength as we age. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds led to an increase in muscle protein synthesis, which is the process by which the body builds and repairs muscle tissue. Chia seeds also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including calcium, which is important for bone health, and iron, which helps transport oxygen throughout the body. The high fiber content of chia seeds can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great option for older adults with diabetes or those looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. In addition to their nutritional benefits, chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. They can also be ground into a powder and used as an egg substitute in recipes. Plus, chia seeds have a high satiety index, meaning that they can help you feel full and satisfied while providing fewer calories than other high-protein options like meat or dairy. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can support your overall health and well-being and reduce your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. The recommended serving size for chia seeds is 2 tablespoons or about 30 grams. And there you have it, the top 4 best bedtime foods for seniors to build muscle, prevent muscle loss, and improve sleep. We hope you enjoyed learning about these natural and effective ways to support your body's recovery and rejuvenation process while you sleep. Remember, it's never too late to prioritize your health and make positive changes that can improve your quality of life as you age. Don't wait another day to start reaping the benefits of a healthy diet and an active lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We would love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.